I want to buy an electric car. Is Tesla the only option? Of course not. So, this is my dream car. This is exactly the car I want. Better and cheaper than Tesla. It's the ONVO L60. Hey everyone, so this is the big day. I'm finally picking up my new car. Let me show you the whole process. Here we are at the new delivery center in Shanghai. Before picking up the car, the delivery specialist walked us through the whole process and helped us sign the paperwork. After that, we went to see our car. The whole thing was super quick. Alright, here's my new car. Purple inside and outside. Looks amazing. And is their best selling color combo. Next, we need to check if the car has any issues. Exterior, interior, and all functions to make sure they are working right. It took us quite a while. Then, we just need to activate the information system and the mobile app. After this step, the car is mine. The delivery specialist walked me through the main information functions, like seat controls and stuff. This car really has all kinds of features, totally overwhelming. After that, the delivery was done smoothly. And right before we left, to celebrate the delivery, the team gave us a bouquet of flowers and even set up a little photo session for us. So thoughtful. And after that, everything was outside. So I hopped in my new car and drove straight home.